our Creative Memory series. In the last video, I showed you how to create a scrapbook for creative memories. Today, I will share some of my family memories with you. So stay tuned to learn about my family first with me.
Let's get scrapbooking! Step 1. Create the title, My Family First, and then add this to the first section of the scrapbook. Now decorate as desired. Step 2. These are some photos of my family first. Cut and glue this to the scrapbook. Our first mum and daughter outing to the gardens. Our first mum and son outing to the park. Our first water slide experience. Our first trip to the zoo. Our first day married. Our first day out to the garden as a family. Step 3. Write a description for each photo to indicate what first it was. Now create a block or rectangular shape and write a sentence about what your favorite memory is. My favorite memory is our first trip to the zoo. Step 5. Now decorate.
Wow! Creating this section made me so happy. And this is a great way to keep all those special memories in one place. What's your favorite memory? Let me know in the comments below. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative memories videos. See you next time. Goodbye.